Hello everyone, welcome to GBT. I'm Devin. Today we would like to introduce one new car, MB GLE 2020 changed to GLE 63. This is after changing. We changed the front and the rear. First, we check the front, okay? The front face all complete. We have changed. We changed the front bumper, the grille. The front bumper, the PP plastic. You see the chrome make the bumper looks more young and maybe more sport. Also, the front grille, this grille GT style, also make the car more powerful. Maybe I think this body kit we just change these two items. The headlamp, the engine hood we don't change. We can see the rear. We just change the rear diffuser like most the MB cars. Just change the rear diffuser and the exhaust pipe. It is double, and the reflector. Also, I would like to say it is just can change the GLE 2020 new car, not for old car. Also, the PP plastic and this chrome make the rear looks more sport. And the exhaust pipe make the rear, I think, more power and more stronger. Okay, the rear bumper later we will change. If after changing, we will show you. So this is the complete GLE 2020 change to GLE 63. Okay, thank you.